Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumped yesterday, hit my target, but hit the stop loss, unfortunately, on the trade from yesterday. But I did expect it to come down to 69K if you followed that video yesterday, and that actually played out beautifully. And make sure you watch through to the end of the video. There's a $1,000 giveaway that's going to be split by the first 100 people that put in the code, and I'm going to share the code down below. So make sure you watch to the end. You need to sign up to Bybit or already be signed up to Bybit using my link down below. Number one in the description. Once you're signed up, then you can put the code in and you can get split that the first 100 people share that 1,000 USD. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. This was the video from yesterday, 23 hours ago. When will Bitcoin top and I sell? I'm growing, where I would take a long on Bitcoin from major area of support. 70,300 would be a strong one. Actually, no, I would keep it the same trade that I had yesterday. It can easily nuke back to all-time high very easily and activate this trade because it's only $3,000 away. It's nothing when you're talking about Bitcoin. And that played out exactly as I said. Bitcoin nuked 23 hours later. Bitcoin nuked down. Unfortunately, more than I expected. It came below by, my stop loss was at 68,983. It came to 68,600, so it was about $200 or $300 difference. Nuke below. You can see that's the main area of support now, right? You can see here, this is the major area of support. You can see Bitcoin keeps like getting resisted there at the all-time high, resisted at the all-time high, resisted at the all-time high, broke through, bounced off the previous all-time high, bounced off the previous all-time high. So now the previous all-time high is the major area of support. So all other supports are really, that's the main area of support, I would say. We are having a little bit of a correction from the third wave. We're kind of getting a little bit of correction moves here on Bitcoin, but it's still trending up. So I don't think the third wave is yet finished, everyone. I don't think the third wave is finished. If you've been following my Elliott wave count I drew this Elliott, if you followed my videos, we drew this Elliott wave count on Bitcoin's move. The first start of this Elliott wave was, October. I started this Elliott wave count 16th of October, and Bitcoin's been following it beautifully. I don't think the second to third, which is the largest of the impulse waves, is finished yet, in my opinion. Let's go on the monthly time frame. Volume growing. We've got 16 days on the month, and still volume stochastic still heading up. Weekly time frame. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy February 2023. Still a blue buy now. Hasn't turned to a red sell. You get the Crypto Guru Bot in the Crypto Master Course. Bitcoin Indicator Bot not yet fired a buy after the ETF sell-off. On the 4 daily stochastic still heading up. That new interesting move on Bitcoin, hammer candle. Yesterday, even though Bitcoin nuked down, it bounced off, and that created a large hammer candle, which is actually a bullish pattern. So that was a great buying opportunity off the all-time high. Unfortunately, my stop loss was too low. So where I would take it long on Bitcoin now is here, and I would make a bit of a bigger stop loss. I do these safer trades because I know Bitcoin can nuke quite easily. A few $1,000s, it's nothing, because now you've got to think of it. Yesterday's move, even though it was very drastic, a lot of people got liquidated, etc. A lot of people panicked. That total move was only 7%. It was thousands of dollars on Bitcoin. The move was from $74,000 to $68,700. Sounds massive, 74 to 68, but it's only a 7% move now for Bitcoin. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 60. Yeah, where the nuke came down is the major area of support. 68,718, stop loss 68,228. Take profit, still my targets. These are the resistance lines. 71K was a resistance, which is now finding support. 77,800 is a resistance. 88,000 is a major one, and 115,000 is my longer term target now. 88,000 is where I think this third wave will actually finish. It looks like, because that's how did I get 88,000 even though Bitcoin's never been there? How do I think that 88K is the major area of resistance? I'm going to show you how I know, or where I get this number from. So I think this is what the full Elliott wave count for Bitcoin is going to be like. This is what I think will happen. Now, how did I get the 88K? When you zoom out onto the weekly, you can see we had 2 touches of the trend line on the all-time highs in 2021. 64K. And the day that I called the top on November 11, 2021, you can see the video on Twitter where I called the day of the top based off the volume dropping while Bitcoin was making a new all-time high back on 2021, 69K. Now, those two touches give us a trend line. And you can see that white trend line, those two touches of the previous all-time high 2021 give us a trend line. And that trend line, you see here, 88K. Everyone seeing this? Even a little bit less. This trend line, 87,300. 87,317. So that's my target on Bitcoin. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Opening 68,718, stop loss 68,228, risking $489 to make $46,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $460,000 profit. 100x leverage, 4.6 million. 94 risk to reward ratio trade, which is beautiful. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And now let's go through. I'm going to show you some stuff and then I'm going to pick the winner. If you want to, it's too late to sign up for this giveaway, but if you want to sign, I'm going to give it at the end of the video. If you want to sign up for future giveaways, make sure you sign up to Bybit using this link, everyone. Bybit, using this link, you get a $30,000 bonus and you get into the Guru Traders group. All the other Bybit accounts are using a different link. My team will post, if you're signed up with someone else's link, my team will post a message on Twitter, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. We'll allow you to switch over if you want. These are the exchanges I use for Bybit. Bybit is the first gold one. 2 is the courses. Make sure you take all of these courses or you're gambling. The Crypto Master course teaches you in-depth technical analysis. You get the Crypto Guru bot and the Bitcoin Indicator bot. Crypto Master course, 12 hours of lessons. Join us after you've taken the courses, after you've done step 1 and 2, only then join step 3. 9,000 of you are trading in the Telegram. All the links are underneath this video down below. And I'm going to give away the prize. My Bybit account right now, ooh, that was the giveaway. Oh, I just showed the giveaway. My Bybit account, 900,000 US dollars. So if someone's smart and early, they can already be doing this if they saw it quick enough. 900,000 US dollars in my account. It went from 846,000 to 918,000 this week. Now 900,000. So I made still, how much? Oh, it just dropped below 900,000 like yesterday's video. Let's see if it goes back up and I hit 900,000 again. 846 to 899. So I made like $53,000 this week. In the last month, I've made 604, back over 900,000. Woohoo! Congratulations. 604,000 to 900,000. So I made almost $400,000 this month, right? No, $300,000 this month. I'm holding Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 142,000 Doge, 127,000 Doge pumped yesterday on Elon Musk's news. And look at my buy orders on Doge, by the way. It's incredible. If you followed my buys on Doge, check out these. Look where I was buying Doge. If you followed my videos and my Twitter, etc. I want to show this. It's so beautiful. Look where I was buying Doge. Look at my buys on Doge. Amazing. 0.07. I've got also Uniswap, 99,000, down 4% on that dip, but still, since we bought it, amazing. MCRT, 66,000, had a huge move yesterday, up 56,000 USDT. FXS, 53,000, down 5%. WorldCoin, 50,000, up 6%. Pocket, 32,000, down 12% yesterday. That's what I'm holding over on Bybit. The funding fee on Bitcoin is 0.07. My Bitcoin trade, $212,000 in the profits, $212,000 on this Bitcoin trade, 1,722%, which is beautiful. Now I'm going to give away, so this is my Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on YouTube and Twitter for the giveaways. About to make my Bitcoin video. Inside my Bitcoin video, you'll get the code. First 100 people to input the code split the 1,000 USDT. Sign up to Bybit or use my existing Guru traders who are in our trading team on Bybit. Video goes live soon. You can scan this QR code to sign up to Bybit and claim. Or you can use the link underneath the video. And someone asked me, speak about Bitcoin highs before the halving. I already said 88,000, I think, will be the main target for the correction. Thoughts on a lengthy bull cycle? I think we'll have a correction at 88K, but with the ETFs buying so much, I think we're going to have a very big, very long bull cycle. Top blockchain games with growing Jest, Gala Games, Sandbox, Illuvium, MCRT, Magicraft, and then big time Decentraland. Good job, Magicraft team. James, I've been watching your videos from the penthouse with the snake at the villa. The BlackRock, if you guys remember when I used to climb up to the eagle's nest, I had no idea. That was 4 years ago. That was amazing. I had no idea what was what I was doing in the stock market. You switched to Bitcoin. I was not interested, 67 years old. Bitcoin was not my cup of tea. But when I realized how accurate you are, I learned to love it. Thanks. You're welcome, Reza. Stop asking me what my Bitcoin exit strategy is. Bitcoin is the exit strategy. And if you understand Bitcoin, look at this thread that I made in 2018, everyone. In January 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto created a weapon that could replace the monopoly of the worldwide financial system. Bitcoin was a tool so simple to use and so powerful that it baffled the minds of the financial elite. When I first started buying Bitcoin, nobody in the real world knew what it was. Today, I think Bitcoin, the crypto sphere, is severely understood. That was back in 2018. Hopefully, people listened to me back then. MCRT, there's a competition right now. You can win $333 of MCRT as well, which is beautiful. Some people banning crypto on TikTok. These old people are so out of touch with the younger generations. If you're in the USA, vote these. Anyone blocking your freedoms, anyone blocking the ability for you to access anything, crypto, TikTok, whatever. If they say they're blocking, it's exactly like, anyone remember The Simpsons? Where there's that lady in The Simpsons and she's like, always think of the children.
Won't somebody please think of the children?
When they come to like banning things, think of the children, protect the children. When they come to blocking things, they're using the same tactics for TikTok. They're saying Congress passing a ban to ban TikTok to protect children, but really she was the same lady trying to ban crypto. Fuck these dinosaurs trying to block your shit. Vote them out. Anyone restricting your freedoms, get them out of politicians. Politicians are meant to serve you, not restrict your freedoms and make you slaves. Updates for today. Devs are working on changes. You can follow you can follow the MCRT updates from the team, which is beautiful. Doge, there was SpaceX flight. There's a $500 Bitcoin position as well. You can claim on Bybit and everything I share here. Now I'm going to give away the code over on Bybit. Did I show? Oh, also in the Telegram, people are waiting. In the Telegram, Jasper is sharing his week-off accumulation pattern, which looks like this is the final move of the week-off. This is the Bybit competition. Ready, guys? I'm going to give away, and you can just see there's 106 of you online right now, 2,800 of you chatting, and you can just share everyone discussing, talking. This is this morning. It's just after sunrise here, and you can see everyone discussing and talking. Guys, be calm. If I already wrote many times when we're falling, make sure you take the courses and you learn for yourself. BlackRock has flipped MicroStrategy in the amount of Bitcoin held, which is huge. Not sure if stop loss or start loss. You can see everyone just discussing. Thank you. Well done. We just make mistakes often with stops. So I'll leave here 700, 600. James is a legend trader. Thank you. And you can just see everyone discussing and talking together. Now I'm going to give away this competition. Good. Thank you, everyone who stayed for the video. Make sure you sign up to Bybit for future giveaways, $30,000 bonus, and you need to use this link, and you need a Bybit account needs to be under this account, under the Guru Traders, to join us. So if you want to join the Guru Traders, my team will release a link where you can change to the Guru Traders. Now for the Bybit giveaway, everyone. This account, 211,000 Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. In here, 892,000. Wow, account dropping massively just then. What just nuked? Let's check what's nuking right now. Bitcoin, not a major nuke. I moved from 71,800 to 70,000. That was a $1,000 drop just then. That's why I've got my trade open at 69K. But that $1,000 drop moved the account $8,000. So that means alts are like, it's looking toppy right now a little bit. Alts are panic selling. Let's see what the alts reacted after that drop. World 5%, NIO of Tesla, not much movement. Wasn't such a big move. It was a little bit of a drop. Let's see if it bounces back. Now for the Bybit giveaway, everyone, 890,000, but the account is getting hit quite hard. 12.5. That was like a $10,000 drop on that 1,000, because most of this account is Bitcoin. So now the giveaway, I'm giving away $1,000, even though I just dropped $10,000. Sign up first. 100 people split $1,000 US. The passcode is this code here, everyone. I'm going to also share it on Twitter. The first 100 people will split this reward. The first 100 people will split this $1,000. So now I'm going to, you can see it in this video. I'm going to share, actually, I'll just leave it in the video. So that's the code. You can pause it here. That's the code. I'm not going to share it because then it'll be unfair for everyone. And you can see here, I've given away now, this will be $8,000 US from this account. $889,000 in the account, down 10,000 while I made this video, but it's still up around 300,000 this month, which is beautiful. Let's see how it plays out, but I still think Bitcoin is going to get that bounce off the bottom there, off that trade open. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, sign up to Bybit, follow me on Twitter for future giveaways. Love you all. Congratulations to whoever's going to split this 1,000 USDT. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.